Hello and welcome to Lazy Chef. My name is Sargun and today on request of a dear friend, I will be making chicken 65. It is fried chicken with a touch of South Indian flavors. So let's get started. The ingredients for marination are 1 kg chicken, chopped curry leaves, 2 teaspoon ginger paste, 3 tablespoon curd and lemon juice. For the marination, we first add chopped curry leaves, garlic paste, curd, now we'll add salt as per taste and half a teaspoon garam masala. Then add 2 teaspoons of oil. And now mix it with your hand properly. After marinating, put it in the fridge for 4 to 5 hours. Now for the coating, I take 2 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, 4 tablespoon Maida, chopped curry leaves, chopped garlic cloves, 1 teaspoon Jeera, 3 tablespoon curd, 1 egg white. After 4 to 5 hours, take out the marinated chicken and add egg white to it. Then add half of the maida that we took. And coat it nicely with your hands. You can use a spoon as well, but I prefer to do it with my hands. Now we will deep fry the chicken on medium-low flame till it gets golden on both the sides. The fried chicken is ready. Let's get started with the chicken 65 garnishing. Heat oil in a pan and add chopped garlic and saute it. Then add jeera and let it cook for a minute. After that we put ginger garlic paste, we add garam masala, half a teaspoon sugar, salt as per taste, and we cook it on low flame. Then we add curd. Mix it well. After you see the bubbles, we will add the chicken pieces. Coat the chicken with garnishing properly. As you can see, the gravy has almost dried and the chicken is properly coated. Chicken 65 is ready. Serve it hot with onions. If you also want to make a video request, comment in the section below. For more such recipes, please do like, subscribe and share. Thank you for watching Lazy Chef.